All right, Gerald, what is it? Fish got your tongue?
Love a duck!
I gotta find my son, Nemo!
Nemo? Hey, he's that fish, you know, the one we've been talking about, the one that's been fighting the whole ocean. Hey, I know where your son is. Huh? Hey, wait! They'll come back! Stop!
Keep going! He's crazy!
I got something to tell you!
Mine.
Okay, don't make any sudden moves. Hop inside my mouth if you want to live.
Hop in your mouth, huh? And how does that make me live?
Mine?
Because I can take you to your son.
Yeah, right.
No, I know your son. He's orange. He's got a gimpy fin on one side.
That's Nemo!
Everybody hold on! Hey, I found his dad!
Where's Nemo? Where is he? Daddy's over there! What's a dentist? What is that? Nigel, get in there!
I can't go in there!
Oh, yes, you can!
What the?
Oh my goodness.
Good job! Keep down! Nemo! Up with ya! And snap!
Daddy? Fishy? Fishy! Wake up! Wake up! Oh no!
Quick, to the top of Mount Wanahakalugi!
Why are you sleeping?
Hurry!
Activation ready.
Float! Ring of fire! Say hello to your little friend!
Fishy!
Crikey! All the animals are gone mad! Smack her in the head!
Go, Gil, go!
Fish in my hair! Gil.
Sharkbait, tell your dad. I said hi. Go get him. He did it! I'm so happy.
Is he gonna be okay, Gil?
Don't worry. All drains lead to the ocean.